Good morning, everybody. It is 6:33 and 71 degrees on a Friday. We are at the dumpster and we're getting ready to check it out, see if there's anything else they put in there. Me and Max. It is Max. And then we're going to watch and see the dump truck. We'll videotape that for my nephews. They love dump trucks. He comes around 7, so thought we'd get here a little early and see if they threw anything away last night, and go through it before the dump truck comes. So let's see what we got. Okay, it's pretty full. There's some birds up there. Let me get my gloves on. Sometimes I think they throw stuff away in these bags. And I don't check the bags that much because it looks like trash to me, a lot of it. My camera rolling. I put my step stool in the car so I'll be able to get some stuff if it's down in there. I keep forgetting. Oh no, don't tell me they threw away ham last night. Seriously, guys? I sure did. Let me check it out. All right, I don't know if you can see. I'm gonna grab this before the dump truck comes. Let me see if I can get my camera set before it don't fall down in there. But I do believe this bag has meats in it, and this is a pork roast. I don't know if it'll still be good or not. And that's buffalo style chicken. I don't know if I trust that. Macaroni salad. But I mean, could I cook the pork roast and it would be alright? I wonder. No, no, you guys let me know what you think about that. I hear the truck coming. They probably threw it out. It's cold. It's very cold. So it could have been this morning. It's not that cold out right now. So Cuban pork roast. So I'd say it's okay. Let's see what else is in there before that truck gets here. I would say it's okay. This is all new. I came here last night and there's nothing. So I would say they threw this out this morning or late last night. Which late last night was pretty cool. Let's see, what is that? So they put the meats, looks like, in bags and they throw it out right before. Let's see, that is cauliflower and kale salad. So I don't know where that would go bad. Sorry, I'm not quite prepared. I didn't want to get my bucket out. No, the trash man's coming. It's all set up and then here he comes and I have to get out of the way. It'll be uncomfortable. I can hear him coming down the road here. But I'm going to get what I can. What is that? Let's see. It kind of looks like hummus. Banana pudding. No, I don't think so. I am hoping to get with my friends today. Oh, that bag is so heavy. Hopefully, let me see. I'm going to grab it and see if there's any more meat in it, like that. I'm really curious. Very heavy. too heavy to be like not having anything in it. Yep. Something else there. See if I can get it with my camera. Okay. I'm gonna do this fast. That's heavy. And you get my stool out. Maybe. Come on. Yeah, I get my stool out. And let's see what that is. Oh! Okay. I know you can't see what I'm doing. I'm sorry. Okay, so this looks like turkey. So I'm going to take it home, check it out. I think that's all I'm going to get for today. So let me get out of the way here for the dump truck. Sorry I didn't show you a lot what's going on in it. That is really cold. This was frozen, guys. This is frozen. Okay. So, looks like we're good. Let's see what else is in here. I'll wash my hands. I know I took my gloves off. Alright, let's see. Looks like just trash here. And I did find beer in here one time. It looks like somebody did drink the beer. So they threw it out. So, okay. Ready for the trash to come. I'm going to go get set up to where I can videotape a good video of it. And we'll see you guys soon. There are cars here in the parking lot, so I think there's people that came in early, probably to maybe throw out the stuff to get, for the trash came. So I'm telling you, this meat is really, 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 really cold. So they must have thrown it out this morning. Here's a guy heading to the trash now, but he doesn't have anything. What you think, Max? Say hi to everybody. Yeah, say hello. Give him kisses. Since I got that turkey meat out, and it's really, really, really ice cold, and the pork is ice cold, I know that it's fine. So I'm not, I don't have a problem with eating that, and we'll definitely cook it up. And pork we don't eat a lot of, but I do like it, like cooked up and made a barbecue pork sandwiches. I do like that, so that'll be good. Looks like the sun's coming up over there, and today we are going to I got a call into my friend Chrissy and her dog Oreo, and we're hoping that they will be able to go to the beach with us this morning early, and we can hang out. So we'll see you guys at the beach after this video. I'll do a separate video, so I'm hoping that she'll be up to that, and we'll see you guys soon. Thank you for watching us. I want to do a video of everybody's pets. I mean, when I'm down and out after my surgery, I can compile all the pictures that you send me of your pets, of your animals, and then I'll do a video with music to it of all my viewers' pets and animals that they have. So if you could send me a picture, I'd love it. My email address is AuntLindaFL981@gmail.com. That's AuntLindaFL LINDAFL 981@gmail.com. And I hope to hear from a lot of you. Send me your pictures of your pets. Crystal, I have Crystal Telf. I have all your pictures, I think. But if you want to send me more, that'd be grand. I love your pictures of your farm and things. So I think it'll be a great little video to do. I can do 50 pictures in one video with some music. So that'll be a lot of fun. Thank you guys for doing that for me. I appreciate it. That woodpecker there is trying to get into that electrical box. As closely as I can zoom in on it. Them woodpeckers are crazy. So while we're waiting for the dump truck, let's see what we got here. This is $30. This was $30. It is Butterball smoked turkey. $7.99 a pound. It says sell by 5/26, guys, and it's not even 5/26 yet. That's next week. And this here, let's see what this says here. That has never been opened. From the deli. And it says $54.55 for this. And it says sell by 5/26. And like I said, it's not 5/26 yet. Now, if this has mayonnaise in it, I'm going to be probably not going to eat that, because if it has been out for a while, you don't want to eat anything that has mayo in it. Let's see. I'm not sure about that, but these two meats are not even expired yet, guys. I got like, how much? 50, 60, 70, 80, over $80 worth of meat today. There I am. Hey guys, I'm a mess. I just got up. Look like an old lady in this dress. Oh well. It's comfortable. I just threw it on. I gained a lot of weight from my last surgery, and with my feet having to be kind of out of it, not being able to walk, go hiking and stuff. Yeah, I've gained some weight, so I know I'll lose it. The thyroid has caused me, I don't eat a lot, I really don't, and the thyroid has caused me to have weight on as well. So hopefully after this surgery, I'll feel better and get a lot of exercise. Now, when I'm up north, you guys will see a whole new kind of video. It's going to be a lot of fun. Upstairs of that house that I'm moving into, where my grandmother used to live, has a lot of stuff up there. So I'll take you up there, and we'll just it's kind of like a treasure trove up there, and you could call it kind of maybe a hoarder, but it's not, because it's got all of us kids' stuff up there that we've, from maybe from childhood up, I don't know, but it's gonna be a lot of fun to go through it, and I'll take y'all with me on my journey. It's gonna be fun. I'm looking forward to it. And I hope you follow me up there. Okay, I hear the dump truck's coming. I want to show my nephews how they do it. They love dump trucks. They stick their they've got some things in front of the dump truck, and they put them inside of here, and they lift it up, and I'll show you how they do it. I'd love to have the color of his hair naturally. Look how beautiful his hair is. The color. Yeah, we are waiting for the dump truck. He'll be here soon. All right, here's the dump truck. Yay! Get out and videotape it. There it comes. All right, pretty cool, huh? That's for you, McKellen Ben. I love you.